to grow well. Now, there is also someone who kept telling us that we are not putting this crop so deep enough. He said that if we put it down, it has to reach almost the shoot. Now that you are here in the garden, let's inquire about that. We want to be able to, is it okay for us to plant this seed the way we've been putting it, or are we supposed to dig a very deep hole to make sure we cover up to the shoot? And in doing that, what are you aiming to do? If you look at the other plant, did you plant so down or did you plant in the same hole? I planted in the same hole. Don't you have branches? Yes, they have branches. Now what is your problem? Well, he got so many advices from passers-by, and most of the advices he was receiving is not exactly accurate. So Mr. Dale was telling him, what you're doing is fine. So if you want your plantation to just be concentrating on producing branches, it will deter the growth of the crops on your plant. So it's about how deep to plant. So